So basically all we need to do is remove the 4 securing screws. Now the bottom 2 also incorporate a mounting for the fuel tank. I've left this screw to last because it's longer than all the rest. Top right, top left, bottom left through the mounting, bottom right through the mounting. Now the recoil assembly will come off, just in case of if they pull it off. The replacement doesn't come with this metal back plate, so you need to take it off the old one and get your replacement. Put the little back plate over the 2 lugs. It goes this way on. There's 2 covers. The top needs just to go slide behind it and it slots into place. So the longest screw goes in the top right. Just takes a little bit of riddling around mostly. That's it. And just start the screw. Don't tighten it all the way up yet. Just get it loosely in there. So the next one. Now you want to refit the fuel tank mounting. 2 holes. So you put your first screw in through the plate onto the mounting for the recoil. And just start it. Do the same again. The left hand one. Then tighten them up. You're better off tying them in a diagonal direction. So I need to roll up. Just tie them all up, and that's the recoil changed.